Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Buds, and I will show you how you can check the product model of these buds. It's very simple and you can make it on the two ways. The first one and the fastest, you have to grab your box and just take a look right here, and here you can find the product model. If you don't have the box, you take it off or just you lost it. You can also use the charging case. You have to take off your buds and then you have to take a look here, but I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. Just wait a little bit. Okay, let's catch focus right here. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, my finger is too big, so just take a look here. Here we got the model, the product model of our buds right here. And when you grab your box, it will the same. So it's E501A. And here is the same, E501A. So as you can see, it was very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.